guys, welcome back to the channel. Joseph here with Washpreneurs. As you can see, we got a beautiful setup behind us. Got my boy here, David, with HD pressure washing.
Yo.
And we're out here. Where are we at today?
We're in Northport, Florida, baby. We're out here getting it done.
And you know, we are not from around here, so we did take a beautiful trip, 2.5 hours down to get this project done with David.
Slept in the truck overnight.
You know what you gotta do, what you gotta do, man. So we got Frankie here. How you doing, boss?
What's up, good? How you guys doing today?
Awesome. We're gonna get this job tackled. Come take a look at what we got going on here. Got this beautiful driveway. Some pressure washing, sanding, and sealing. And David's gonna show us his process on it, what he uses, how he does his thing. And so we're gonna do that. So make sure you guys stay tuned. Hopefully there's some tips and tricks and some secrets that David can show us. So
we're gonna clean them, sand them today. Tomorrow we're gonna pop out and seal them because you know it's Florida and they got afternoon showers. So yeah, stay tuned.
Check out HD pressure washing, Northport, Florida. You're getting them pavers clean, bro. Check that out. Sanding, sealing, pressure washing, renewing your pavers. He even does re-leveling. And that's what I'm talking about. You guys have to know how to do different things so that you guys can grow, right? You guys already know when he's pressure washing, he's taking away all that old sand, making sure the surface of the pavers are clean, getting all that algae, mold, mildew that's inside out, so we can go ahead and redo it. Edited. We're just out here pressure washing today. HD. Let's do it. It is hot, but guess what? That does not stop the grind. We're out here doing this work. Just get those pavers nice and clean. So get ready for the sand and seal, so stay tuned. All right, bro, talk to me what you got going on here.
So now we're spreading out sand because, well, dry sand around here. And when I spread it out like this, it makes it a whole lot easier on the broom to help push it. We ain't pushing out pounds and pounds of sand all miled up in like one pile, you know what I mean? So
yes, sir.
It just makes it easier for everything to fall in line and go into the joints and everything like that.
And you can see the texture here. It's very fine. Very. So he's gonna be using, he's gonna be doing a wet sanding method, almost like how I did in the last video, but not with polymeric sand. So you're gonna take a look at how he does that. And make sure you guys are learning. Make sure you guys are taking this and running with it, because this is a pro here and he knows what he's doing. And you know, everybody gets to learn, everybody's growing, everybody learn every day. So
what we do is we turn this into this, and then in a couple seconds we'll use a regular house broom just to get all these corners and these tight niches. Everything will be filed down, it'll be leveled down, so 1/8 below the lit line.
Holy moly, it's hot out here. So, as you know, we finished up that pool deck back there. Pressure washed it, sanded it. Now we're back at the first job. We're gonna go ahead and seal it. And what David's making sure right now, he's getting that blower nice and clean so that he can go ahead and detail these joints.
Well, we're cooking up at the house.
We don't want any excess sand in between these joints. So making sure he gets all that off the surface and any leftover sand that's at the surface of the joints. Right here. See?
Get all the beetles out when you eat them.
Okay. Ain't no way. That's insane.
Sealing lock will give you more of a semi-gloss kind of look. So that's what we're gonna do. Right now we're mixing the part A with the part B. He doesn't want any dye or anything like that. But right now we're just mixing the two parts together. Next we'll add the water. We'll measure out what we need and put it in a bucket spray.
I'll tell you right now, that is what we need right there. That
What's that right there?
That battery operated pump sprayer. Save you a lot of time. Just wait. We're gonna get one soon, guys. Stay tuned. We're gonna make one.